This is the progress I have made. This is a little bit more overwhelming than I actually thought. I've never had to pack for this long. So over here I have leggings, like workout clothes bottoms. I have 7 of these. I have workout tops, sports bras, PJ bottoms, like sweatpants basically, PJ tops. These are my long sleeves, and it is cold weather over there, so I'm packing a lot of long sleeves. So I have about 6 or 7 of these. These are all my bottoms, including my dress pants. I have like 4 jeans and like just a pair of shorts just in case. One nice dress. I was gonna take 2, but I think 1 is enough, so I'm just taking my black one. These are just nicer tops, so for events or anything. These are all my jackets. This is what I had a hard time with. So I have a few of these. These are just more intimate stuff. My t-shirts, I only have 4 t-shirts, which is perfect because it's not like I have more than that anyways. I'm taking 1 scarf and 2 cardigans right there. This is a hoodie, 4 sweatshirts, but these 2 are basically PJs, so maybe I should take that into consideration. This is all I have for clothes so far. There's a few things in like the dirty laundry, but I don't think I'm gonna pack those, so I think this should be fine. We're gonna try and put these into the little cubes, the packing cubes, and then putting them into the suitcase, and I'll show you what that looks like. I will link these down below, but these are the packing cubes that I used also for my Hawaii trips, so I will link these down below if you want them. I'm gonna start and separate, probably put these into a packing cube, these, those, probably most of all this stuff